Here's a quick and easy way to use Final Cut Pro to edit some video that you've shot on your iPhone. I've got a few videos here that I shot on my iPhone 13 Pro Max about a recent off-road trip that me and some of my friends took. So let's select the first and then Shift select the last one, or press Command A to select them all. You'll immediately see a list of videos show up, and you can click this button to look at them in the film strip view and adjust that view so that you can see a good portion of the clip. Press Command N to start a new project. Then skim your cursor over the clip. Press I to set an in point on your selection. Skim to the end of the part of the clip that you want to use. Press Command O to set an out point. And then press E. That will drop your clip right into your timeline. Repeat this process with each of the clips that you want to use. Command I on the in point, Command O for an out point, E to append it to the end of your timeline. Once you've got all the clips into your timeline that you want, you're all set to go into the next part of your edit. You can see here, because I shot on my iPhone, I've got a combination of horizontal and vertical clips. If you want your project to be horizontal, a normal 16:9 aspect ratio, make sure you put a 16:9 clip in your timeline first. Now when we skim the clips, we see that the first clip looks really bright. This is because the new iPhones support HDR recording. So let's just go ahead and make that a normal look. Go down to the search bar in the Effects browser and type HDR. You'll see HDR tools come up. Double-click it and go up to the menu and select the option HLG to Rec 709 SDR. All right, we're all done. To export, hit Command E or go up to the export menu in the top right-hand corner. You can choose H.264 as a standard video codec used to share. Go ahead and export it, and it's just that easy to use Final Cut Pro to turn out videos quickly.